want to talk a little bit about accessibility at the cottage. As we get older, we still want to come up and enjoy our beautiful places in the wilderness, but we want to keep it safe and we want to make it easy for us as well. So I recommend adding things like pieces of white birch along your walkways to kind of illuminate the paths while you're walking. You can add some solar lights as well. But the birch is perfect. It'll last you a few years. It'll rot out. You can add new stuff when it does fall down. Adding some handrails around the property, especially at steep parts, can be very useful. You might have to anchor these depending on the type of terrain and ground. You know, if you have rock, you may have to look into drilling down and anchoring it right into the rock using rebar. If you just have soil, you might be able to dig down with a post hole digger, get a sonotube in, put a railing in. But these are all great ways to make your cottage a little more accessible. If you're putting rails or grab bars inside your cottage, you want to make sure you're attaching them to studs or floor joists. Don't screw them into a piece of paneling. They're going to rip out. Someone's going to get hurt. So make sure you attach them to something strong and something that's going to give them some support. Another really cool option is to have a lift, an elevator, or a stair lift at your cottage. They do make exterior and outdoor stair lifts that can be installed and left out all year round to get you down to the water or from point A to point B, so you can keep going to your cottage.